All the memories we made under the summers.
What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Doogee V40 Pro and Doogee V40. Yeah, we are gonna talk about both of these two smartphones. Let's see which one do you prefer. I think both of these two Doogee V40 series smartphones offers a very good value for money. Well, some people prefers the Pro one and some people doesn't actually need those extra features. So let's go through this review and check which one actually suits you the most. Well, as usual, before we start the review, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Just pretend.
Both the Doogee V40 Pro and V40 are designed to endure extreme environments with IP68, IP69K and military standard 810H ratings, making them resistant to water, dust and drops. The V40 Pro takes it up a notch with a dragon scale structure and aerospace grade aluminum alloy, adding to its unique look and durability. Both models offer a solid grip, making them reliable companions for adventures or work in rugged conditions. Both have reinforced corners, metal side rails, and very good build quality. I should say, Doogee have taken their game up a level. So when it comes to outlook, appearance, and build quality, I'm ready to give these 10 out of 10. Cause even if these are rugged smartphones, the engineers of Doogee have given these phones a very good outlook and appearance. The main display on both the V40 Pro and V40 is a 6.78-inch IPS LCD with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering smooth visuals, ideal for gaming, streaming, or everyday tasks. The screen's vibrant colors and responsiveness make it enjoyable to use, especially for outdoor conditions where visibility remains clear. In addition, the V40 Pro includes a 1.47-inch rear display, allowing quick access to notifications, music control, and battery status, all without unlocking the main screen. This added feature sets the Pro apart, offering convenience and functionality in a rugged design. Doogee V40 Pro's camera setup is tailored for versatility, featuring a 200 megapixel main sensor, an 8 megapixel telephoto, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide, and a 20 megapixel night vision lens, making it suitable for everything from landscapes to low-light shots. The 32 megapixel front camera adds clarity to selfies, enhancing outdoor captures. Meanwhile, the V40 includes a 108 megapixel main sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide, and a 20 megapixel night vision lens, supported by a 16 megapixel front camera. Well, even if it sounds like the vanilla edition, the V40 edition is not good as the Pro edition, but actually both have performed well. Both have performed better than their competitors. The V40 Pro easily competes with the flagship class and the V40 with the mid-range smartphones. I will let you enjoy some photos and videos. Okay, you check by yourself and share your thoughts and ideas in the comment section.
I know that it has to end.
Both phones come with a single powerful loudspeaker, delivering crisp audio even in noisy environments, ideal for outdoor calls and media playback. Okay, time to put the audio to the test. Listen closely to catch the impressive clarity and performance. These speakers truly deliver.
You should always sleep with one eye open. You better keep in mind to always look over your shoulder. Cause when you should always sleep with one eye open. You better keep in mind to always look over your shoulder. Cause when you're
Before discussing gaming capabilities, let's look at the Antutu scores of these two rugged devices. The Doogee V40 scored 691,000, while the V40 Pro slightly surpassed it with 698,000, almost 700,000. Both features MediaTek's Dimensity 7300 SoC, a 4nm class processor with an octa-core CPU. Yeah, it comes with 4 Cortex A78 cores at 2.5 GHz and an ARM Mali G615 GPU. This efficient chipset ensures strong gaming performance and reliable energy management, making both models excellent choices for gamers. Additionally, both models carry IP68 IP69K certification for dust and water resistance. Yeah, we have submerged both the V40 and the V40 Pro underwater while running the Antutu benchmark. Both the devices handled it seamlessly, maintaining their performance without any issues. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor, both the V40 Pro and the V40 provide a capable gaming experience. The V40 Pro's 16GB of RAM and dedicated gaming display chip enhanced performance, making it perfect for intensive gaming. The 120Hz refresh rate adds fluidity to gameplay, and we have found the device responsive to even demanding titles like Genshin Impact, Call of Duty, and many other games. Okay, the V40, being the vanilla edition, comes with 12GB of RAM and it still handles gaming well because it also has the same MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor. Yeah, we have enjoyed playing heavy duty games and the responsiveness is truly almost similar to the Pro edition. Both phones maintain a smooth experience with the Hyper Engine tech, which optimizes the system for gaming, and it's truly an amazing thing to see that none of these two smartphones actually have any type of thermal throttling. I think Doogee have done a very good job optimizing the thermal performance. Well, let's talk about biometrics. Yeah, both models features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for quick, secure access and support facial recognition, adding convenience to rugged use. These biometric options ensure ease of access and enhanced security. Running on DOOGEE OS 4.0 on top of Android 14, both the V40 Pro and V40 deliver an intuitive experience with the latest software enhancements. While the V40 Pro's additional RAM might provide a slight edge in multitasking, both models are responsive and user-friendly. Both phones feature a dynamic capsule, adding convenience directly to the screen. This capsule displays charging status, music playback, sound mode, timers, and provides quick access to the recorder and radio, offering updates at a glance. The Doogee V40 Pro and V40 come equipped with a powerful 8680 mAh battery and 33-watt fast charging, designed to power through long hours in demanding conditions. With reverse wired charging, they can even charge other devices, acting as a power bank, ideal for staying powered up on the go. Well, to help you to choose the right one among these two, let's talk about the differences between the V40 Pro and the V40. The V40 Pro distinguishes itself with features like the secondary rear display, higher RAM capacity, and enhanced camera system tailored for those wanting premium rugged specs. The V40, while simpler, maintains core rugged features and dependable performance, making it a solid choice for users seeking essential durability without the added perks. Both models offer unique strengths for different needs in the different price segments. Both the Doogee V40 Pro and the V40 bring a rugged experience packed with a lot of features. The V40 Pro offers premium specifications and comes with a secondary display, while the V40 offers simpler, durable choice at a cheaper price point. Okay, don't forget to let me know in the comment section which one do you prefer. Yeah, based on personal preferences, you may go for either one and you won't regret it. Cause I've been using these two and I'm super satisfied. I've left the links of these two smartphones in the description box. Go ahead, check the Doogee V40 Pro and the Doogee V40. But before you go, well, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel.